The coalition of United Political Party has hailed the Central Bank Governor Godwin Emefiele for putting a cash withdrawal limit for the country. The spokesman Ikenga Ugochinyere says the decision was timely, vital, and will ensure credible elections come 2023. He says those kicking against the cash withdrawal limit are desperate politicians who want to buy votes during the elections. He used the opportunity to commend President Buhari for standing with the CBN governor despite pressure over the recent policy.
Now, why are you attacking the Central Bank Governor? Because you want to force him out of office and reverse the policy so that these Omuma magicians can now be able to carry cash and buy vote. And we're saying, Mr. President, we thank you for standing with Godwin Emefiele and insisting that that policy is right. But Mr. President, those working under Mr. President are not trying to undermine the President. Even though they don't want to double into monetary issues, but that is hitting below the belt. We cannot accept that. We want the cash limit to remain. We want the new currency to remain. I want the central bank to remain in office and only to be removed if the president does not find him fit. Not by DSS fabricating a charge against the central bank governor. Going to court to file such a charge. You will agree with me that that is unfair, that is unconstitutional, and that's why we're saying we do not support it. And those behind that charge should be arrested and then charged to court, because that thing they did is treason, is unfair. That would have destabilized the entire image of the country, and the financial stability would have been destroyed.
Hello, hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification button so you get notified about fresh news updates.